Great to have you with us here on the Central North Island as we continue coverage here on Whakaata Māori, celebrating the best of our rangatahi. Many different sports being celebrated, but today we lock and load it in with the 15-man-a-side clash between St John's and Wesley College. And it's wonderful to have you with us here on Whakaata Māori. Mihi ane ka koutou ko Dale tēnei, and wonderful to be working alongside Moiho today. Hope that this game is bright and gets some excellent hard-running rugby. Difficult conditions, obviously, with the way that the weather has been across the Central North Island, but wonderful to be here today, and warm welcome to Whakaata Māori, bringing you the best of First 15 rugby.
Okay, mui te aroaru e hoa. St John's in the blue and yellow, and Wesley in the black and white. We're on the way.
Cooper Smith with the kick-off and into the far side of the field from our broadcast area here on the field at St John's College. Good driving effort to start the game off, and of course it's been picked up by Wesley, who have the football now just inside the 22, centre field. Short side, and then the kick downtown. The kicking game is going to be absolutely vital today in Moiho. Packing it down, Forbes and Whangupo. The second in the locking positions here. So this is a superb opportunity for Hatuhone. Taken from the base of the scrum now. Here's a great opportunity as they set themselves up in the centre field through MΑORI.
Wangapu I te whira I nānei, te taha poto. Kāre tawhiti mai te rārangi piro, me pakari ake te tū a Wesley. Ko ngā paumua e mahi ana I ngā mahi. Nei ko pāhi atu te hawhe pēke a Riley Eagles, whakawhiti rāno ki te taha matau. Ko wai kei reira, ko te parirau kei reira. Me tana tepe kuihi, ko piro te āhua nei a Cooper Smith ki te kokono matau o te whira, te piro tuatahi o te rā, e mihi kawana.
Really strutting their stuff as Tupuavia. St John's get hold of the football. A little bit at the back, scrambling for the football, and now it's Wesley College who have possession just inside the half. They'll be pressing their claims now with ball in hand as they swing across the left edge. Into the hands here of Josh Funaki. This time it's St John's equal to the challenge now. Waiting for the football. Ratu Levy, left side for him. Through the hands of More. Some wheels on the left edge as well. Beautiful defence. A driving tackle as well from St John's.
Ko tau te nono ke ina nei, ko puta. Te taha matau, me te pāhi tawhiti, te taha rāno te whira, ko whanaia te pauro.
Good kick. Deep in pressure on Wesley, under assault here from St John's, who are just coming at them in waves too and collecting the football. This is a great opportunity from close range. Will they be able to come in for try number 2?
Koe rā te tino pātai Dale, kei te pau raka tēnei ko J. Morris Rawari, hoki whakamuri te pauro. Kei reira tonu te referee Jonathan Cosby e koutu MAORI.
MAORI might be more accurate, judging by that spelling.
Ingoa Tāhua.
Lots of beautiful Pacifica names on show here today in the CNI coverage here on Whakaata Māori. So we're set into work again as Eagles. They'll take the ball, out he comes. MAORI, beautiful, insightful running, and a try as well has been scored. Lazel Devanga is the man credited with that try. He just cut himself into the line at pace and exactly what the coaches would have wanted. Try number 2 and at close range at St. John's. You take the lead.
That have effective.
So it's Follow with the throw-in. You've got to be thinking that where's there a chance here, a good chance. They take the ball in cleanly. Here come the forwards as they muscle up and drive. Close to the line, need to get some clean ball. Lovely recycling of the football. They need to do it again to Wesley in the box seat. And there it is. Great defensive effort here from St. John's. They were under immense pressure. And ultimately the referee finds in their favour. The Eagles have been very busy for St. John's. Big surge. The ball ultimately is back to Wesley. They decide that will go down the other end of the field, and that kick into the corner. A big chase here from not to do so. In the end, that's fielded in by Pert Hunter. Wesley hustling, driving. Referees watching closely. You hear from the sideline a suggestion that the players come in from the side, a little knock forward, but it's okay, that one's gone forward as well. And so a knock-on-a-thon that the referee will adjudicate here. In fact, he won't get time, he'll call the curtain down on the first half, and you're watching CNI. It's Wesley College against St. John's Hamilton, and at the halftime break, it's the hosts who lead this one by 14-0. Growth area, but this school, such a proud school. We've got 35 minutes for them to do the business here, running from right to left in the second half. So eager to get into their work and eager to get possession. It's going to be absolutely vital for them early on, but St. John's come up with the ball. Been very impressed with Riley Eagles' work around the scrum base. He's a thinking halfback, and this time we'll be seeking some extra meterage from the left boot, which goes into touch of proud North Island schools. This is Follow on the far side. Wesley throw-in. Desperately in need of possession. They need clean ball here, Wesley. There's the throw. It's secured for Wesley. But the backs are moving up quickly in defence as well. St. John's, everything's working on song at the moment for the squad and the coaching staff. Wesley scrambling to really make an impact and revert to kicking it deep. This is taken into the hands here of Kotu MΑORI. He too puts it to toe. And we'll see that again from Wesley. Now with Wesley, this time looking to see if they can bust loose down the left edge. They'll try their hand through the centre to start off with. That time Funaki. Little fumble at the back though, and you can hear the crowd on the sideline, parochial to supporters of St. John's. Recognise that this is a wonderful opportunity for them in good field position. They will pack the scrum down and fancy their chances here from close range. St. John
just haven't managed to string phases together, the boys from Wesley. And they do have the pull. They are in the wrong end of the paddock and decide to kick it downtown as the tongue up for grabs.
Really, Wesley struggling to get outside of their 22. The kick will be really their only alternative, I'd suggest. And again, midfield defence strong. Lots to like about what we've seen here. Not just from the players who started the game, but the ones who come off the bench as well. And another opportunity, that's Zach Johnson. Jersey number 21 right in front of us with the reddish pink headgear, and this time opting for the 3 points. No surprises really here, Moiho. Just to settle the game down. 14 takes them to 17.
Ko ngā kaute ana ke tērā e whai nei. Engari ko te 2 miniti ka whakapauhia e te kiki.
The Vice-Captain Penfold with the left foot kick and slots that one with ease. Back end of this classic clash here in the CNI. Still with an opportunity. It's Wesley needing support.
Nice
one
run
of the
for
forwards. Beautiful run.
As Wesley come marching in, te taha maui I nai nei, they're fully deserving of a piro. Te ahua nei kua tau te pauro ki te papa. E kao. Karo whakaroto, te topatahi. Kua piro a koutu mai uea.
He's in, brother. He can't speak out. So.
Kau ngā kaute te rereketanga. Me kaua tātou e waiata hia a whakaria mai I naia nei.
Whakaria mai. Here we go. It's Oscar Fraser. Putting some respectability in the scoreline. That's Lewin Baker. He's watching on with him here. As Fraser slots that one, putting a little respectability into the scoreline if they can. Wesley, they have the ball on the far side of the field. We'll ride home with them just as you are at home. Low to the ground with a driving run, this time freeing up the ball for Fraser. And again, the slippery conditions have been problematic for both teams, but St John's have handled the occasion better. And that'll bring the curtain down on the second half as well. Looking back across the 70 minutes, a fully deserving victory here for St John's in this round of CNI. They take the victory by 20 points to 7. E moiho, kōrero mai o whakaro te kemu, and celebrations for the boys in blue. John's today.
I certainly dare. A statement win for St John's. Hamilton disciplined, physical, composed, and when it mattered the most, they take the victory. Rua te kau, ngā kaute ki te whitu over Wesley College. Māua ko Dale husband tēnei mihi kawatu ana ki a koutou katoa, ko tūhono mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. O te CNI, mera te mihi ki a koutou katoa. Huri, huri tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, kia ora hui hui mai no tātou katoa.